Hi guys, this is week 18. I'm going to go through the hand motions for the timeline song. So the first card says Cherokee Trail of Tears. So for Cherokee, we're going to do the same sign that we did for Native American, which is just drawing the chain from the corner of our mouth to our ear. And then for Trail of Tears, we're going to hold up a 4 and then just let this 4 slide down our cheek like it's a trail of tears. So Cherokee, Trail of Tears. U.S. westward expansion. For this one, we're just going to put up a W and then move that W across our body like that. Marx publishes the Communist Manifesto. So for this one, to demonstrate communism, we're going to hold our fist out in front of us because that's something that during that movement the people who followed it would do. So we're just going to hold our fist directly out in front of us. And then for publishes, we're going to just write on our palm. Okay? The Compromise of 1850 and the Dred Scott Decision. So for this, we're going to do just like we did for the word belief previously. So we're going to point to our forehead and then bring our 2 pointer fingers together. So that's going to be compromise, pointing to our forehead and then 2 pointer fingers side by side. And the Dred Scott Decision, we're going to do just like we did for slavery or bondage, and we're just going to cross our wrists. So point to our forehead, fingers next to each other, and then crossing our wrists to show bondage. The next card reads, U.S. restores trade with Japan. So for this, we're going to do just like we did in America. We're going to interlace our fingers and draw that little circle. And then trade, we're going to move our hands back and forth just like we have previously. And then Japan, we're going to draw the shape of Japan, which is like a boat. Okay, so these are all ones we already know. U.S. restores trade with Japan. Okay. British Queen Victoria's rule over India. So for British, we did this sign before also. We're just going to hold on to the bottom of our palm and shake it. Queen Victoria, we're going to hold up a V. And then for rule, we're going to make hooks with our fingers and we're going to move them back and forth. Just like, kind of like trade, but we're just going to have these little R's. Move them back and forth. And for India, we know the sign for India is just to point to our forehead. So again, for British, we shake our hand. Queen Victoria, V. Rule, moving the R's back and forth. Over India, point to our forehead. Darwin publishes The Origin of Species. For Darwin, we're going to hold up a D. And then for publishes, we're going to write on our palm. The Origin of Species. For Origin of Species, we're just going to take our pointer finger and put it into the little spot between our pointer finger and our ring finger. And we're just going to twist it. This is the sign for like start or origin. Okay? All right, and I'll put this song next.